A very good morning and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Students, in this module, we are going to cover up a very important and very interesting topic of mathematics, which is multiplying with money. So, let me tell you a little bit about this topic before starting the exercise 3F from the book Oxford New Enjoying Mathematics. So, what is money all about? And why do we need money? It's obvious that we need money, okay, for the purchase and sales of things, and money and the currency of any country is the backbone of the economy, and it is required to run the economy, to make economy run smoothly, right? But in mathematics, money is something different. Okay, so let us see. Money is a combination of rupees and paise, right? Since the currency of India is Indian rupee, and 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, okay, and this 100 paise, when further divided into two parts, you will have 250 paise coins, and when this 100 paise will be divided into 4 equal parts, you will have 4 25 paise coins. Okay, the currency of India is rupee, and this is the sign of rupee. Apart from India, do you know, children, there are few other countries also which also have rupee as their currency. So let us see which all these countries are. So for your convenience, I have written a very small formula over here which you will be able to remember easily. And the formula is I M Miss TN. Here I stands for India, M Mauritius, M Maldives, I Indonesia, S Seychelles, S Sri Lanka, P Pakistan, N Nepal. That means India's currency is rupee. M Mauritius currency is also rupee. Next, M is Maldives. Its currency is undoubtedly rupee, but it is pronounced as rufiya. Okay, and the currency of this country, which is I stands for Indonesia, is also rupee, but it is pronounced as rupiah. Okay, Maldives currency is rufiya and Indonesian currency is rupiah. The next is S, which stands for Seychelles. Seychelles is also a very small country. I hope you will search about this on the map of the world, that where does it belong and what it is all about. Okay, and the next S stands for Sri Lanka. It also has rupee as its currency. The ancient name of Sri Lanka is Ceylon. Now P stands for Pakistan and N stands for Nepal. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this segment. Now quickly move to the main topic, which is multiplication of money. Here, children, you can see I have written 5 rupees and 25 paise, and this dot separates the rupee part, okay, the rupee part from the paise part. Okay, this dot separates the rupee part from the paise part, and it helps us to understand that whether we are reading it right or wrong. So let us begin with the example number 1. If the cost of one ice cream is 12 rupees and 50 paise, so how much will 3 ice cream cost? Okay, so if you remember, children, I have already told you in the classroom that whenever we have the information about one thing or one object and we have to find out about more things or more object, what operation of mathematics we are going to do? We are always going to do multiplication, because we have to find out about more things. So how we are supposed to write this statement? Here is the solution. The first statement would be the information is already there that the cost of one ice cream is 12 rupees and 50 paise. Here I have written. Okay, the next statement is number of ice creams. For how many ice creams we have to find out the cost? 3 ice creams. So number of ice creams is equals to 3. And last but not the least is our operational statement. So the total cost of 3 ice creams would be 12 rupees and 50 paise multiplied by 3. Right. Now the question arises that, ma'am, how we will multiply this? It seems very difficult. No, not at all. It is not difficult. Children, two things you have to keep in your mind for the multiplication of rupee or paise. What are these things? First is, you just have to do the usual multiplication, okay? And the second thing is that you have to take care of the point that where it has been put and where we are supposed to put the dot, okay? So let us begin with the usual multiplication. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 carry over is 1. I am keeping in my mind. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. I have written 7 over here. And 3 1s are 3. And don't forget to put the sign of this rupee. And after doing the multiplication, what we are supposed to do? We will check the multiplicand. Okay, we have the dot just after 2 digit from the right side. Okay, so in the same way, we are going to put the dot just after 2 digit from the right side in our product. Okay, so here 12 rupees 50 paisa is the multiplicand, 3 is the multiplier, and the product which we have got is 37 rupees 50 paise. So the cost of 3 ice cream is 37 rupees and 50 paise. Now for your convenience, I am going to show you one more example. Suppose you have to multiply rupees 15. Okay, 15 rupees and 75 paise by 3. So how we are going to do this? Put a sign of multiplication. 5 3s are, we know that 15. Write 5, carry over is 1. You can write like this, a small 1 over here. Then 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. Write 2 over here and carry over is 2. Now 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17. We will write 7 over here. Carry over is 1. Right. Then 3 1s are 3 and 1 is 4. Okay, we have done with the multiplication. Now put the sign of rupee. What is left? This point is left. As we can see, the point is just after the 2 digits from the right side. So in the product also we are going to put the dot just after the 2 digit from the right side. Right. So our answer will be rupees 47.25. So children, this is how we are supposed to do the multiplication of money. Rest of the things I will make clear in the next module. Till then, take very good care of yourself and Jai Hind.